Amit, can you see me?
I can see you. How are
Hello.
you? Hi.
I am good. I am good. How are you?
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
Great. I watched the trailer of and it was amazing. Loved it.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, for our viewers, if you would like to tell us a little bit about what is the story this time, what are the new challenges for Inspector Sawant?
Unfortunately, I can't say much, because it's a thriller. But I can definitely say that it's bigger, wider. It's like a new dimension. A lot of great actors coming in. Abhishek, Nitya, Saimi, Rishikesh is back as Prakash. There's some more surprises. I don't want to do the spoiler alert, but then I'll get a call from Amazon. Um, I think season two, this new season, has been very challenging for us. But I would like to believe that we all of us in every department, from writing, technical, production, DOP, direction, actors, everybody's given their best A game. We are very grateful and we are very excited and very happy that the trailer has done phenomenally well. Everybody liked it, like journalists, people, industry, fans, viewers. So just few more days. So let's see.
You just mentioned working with such amazing co-stars. I would like to hear your experience with Abhishek Bachchan. What was the interaction happening in between shots, and if you would like to tell us a little bit about that.
Definitely. First of all, I would just like to bring your attention and emphasis that when we go and film and when we go work and when we go and make series like Breathe, it's not fun. We don't go there to have fun. We take pride in what we do. We love what we do, but it's not fun. It's very challenging. It is very stressful. We are running against the clock. We're working 16, 18 hours a day. Nobody's playing pranks. And in between, there's a laughter. In between, there's a cup of coffee. There's in between, on a good day, 5 minutes of relief. Coming back to Abhishek Bachchan, I think it's so amazing on a stressful day, on a tough day, to have somebody like Abhishek Bachchan on the set because of his humor, his fun, his knowledge about work, his calmness. I just think he has a lot of great qualities. Until now, I only saw Abhishek Bachchan as an actor. I'm a huge fan of his work. He knows this. I want to tell you that when I saw Guru, I was struggling. I was not getting work. And at that time, I used to aspire, I used to say, you know what, I want to do work like this. I want to do Guru. I want to do you work. And then spending time on the set with him and seeing what an amazing person he is. He's so warm. And I had a great time with him.
So you were just
No
telling
problem.
how serious the ambience is on the set while filming such a serious
Yes.
thriller.
Yes. It is. It is very stressful. It is. It is what we do. We go there. We work hard. We work on our characters, and we try to achieve. We try to achieve something every day. But then when you are with good people and good actors like Nitya and Abhishek and Saini, and I think we are very blessed. Everybody's like. One thing I would like to say about Breathe, which makes me the most happy, that everybody is same. Everybody is a good human being. Everybody has the same intention, and which I'm sure you have seen in all the visuals. You will see more. So I think we are a good pack.
Absolutely. And since first one was very popular, I'm sure the audiences are waiting for the second part, which is quite evident from the kind of response the trailer has got.
I mean, yes, we were very, very fortunate. We were very, like the love season one got, the storyline, and even for me as Kabir, the kind of love and appreciation I got from like all across was very, I would say, I think that encouraged us. That encouraged us I think my producers that encouraged Amazon, director, the writers. I think acting. I think it encouraged us that you know what, we need to come back better. We need to come back with a product which which can be loved again. And I think we've done that. And I just hope that the fans and the
And
people support us again and they watch it and they like it.
and expectation level is also certainly very high after the first part. I feel so.
Yeah, it's a expectation is like a tricky thing. Like 50% you feel so happy and ecstatic, and 50% it makes you nervous and the butterfly feeling.
Amit, just wanted to ask you that how much of effort goes into preparing for a serious character like this Kabir Sawant?
Uh, I think it just takes everything. But I don't want to bore you with process and method, because I think that's boring for viewers. For people want to watch something, they want to see something, they want something to hit them, affect them. So I think about all this. In terms to breathe, मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि my director Mayank, I think he's a genius, and and the whole writing team, Vikram Tulli, Arshad, who wrote the dialogues, Bhivani, who's a very, very good writer, Mayank. I think they've really, really pushed it in the writing. And we have pushed it, we went through the grind on the floor while filming. But again, I don't want to bore you कि कितने बजे सोए, कितने बजे उठे, कब रोए, कब हंसे. But yes, I would definitely say कि हमने बहुत मेहनत की है, हमने बहुत इंटेंट के साथ, समझ के साथ बहुत मेहनत की है. And I just hope that people see it, they connect with it, and they like it.
Wish you all the best for that.
Thank you.
Amit, now that the lockdown is gradually opening and shooting is all set to begin, as an actor, what do you feel that maintaining social distancing while shooting, how difficult would it be for an actor?
मेरे जहन में ये सब सवाल नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान और यहाँ पे जो बहुत लोग हैं वो जॉबलेस, जिनके पास खाने के पैसे नहीं हैं. अभी आई थिंक बहुत ढेर सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उनके बारे में डिस्कशन, उनके बारे में चर्चा ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एक्टिंग कब करेगा, आई डोंट थिंक सो. इट्स सच होएगी, जब होएगी करेंगे. It's not on my mind. I just hope the environment gets cleaner and more safer for all of us, for elders, for young people. So I'm more stressed about that. Social distancing, I think, will be the norm for the future. I hope we respect that, regard that, understand that, and just drill it in our head to be hygienic, to be honest, to be forthcoming. Like I have a friend I was supposed to meet today, उसको खांसी आई, and he called me, "Sir, मुझे खांसी आई है, मैं ठीक हूँ, लेकिन मैं मिलूंगा नहीं." So I saluted him. I said, thank you. So I just think we all need to be honest. We need to do our bit. Let's not get careless. And जहाँ तक shooting की बात है, of course उम्मीद करूँगी कि जल्दी हो, जब हो. But right now I'm just happy Breathe is coming out. So let me enjoy that.
Absolutely. As we were just talking about lockdown, Amit, I just felt like asking this, that during this last 2-3 months, we have all been confined within our home, and that has certainly had an impact on our minds. We often feel down, we feel low, sometimes we feel demotivated. So what do you do when there are times when you're feeling down? What you do to keep yourself motivated, to keep yourself positive?
So I'm also a human being, same flesh, we breathe the same air. I think when I get negative or when I am losing it, I just shut my eyes and I think the 5 good things that are happening in my life. And after 5, I realize there are 50 or 500 good things happening in my life. And then my brain tells me, shut up. You're very lucky, you're very fortunate, smile and don't creep.
Absolutely. And I think that is a very nice suggestion we should also try to follow. Amit, I was just thinking that so many years you have been into this industry, starting with television, then films, and now into the web. Uh, how do you see your journey as an actor? How have you evolved as a person, as an actor? If you would like to share a little bit.
I don't know how much I have evolved, because evolution is something that you should see in somebody's work and you should talk about. I think it'll look very silly कि खुद ही अपने एवोल्यूशन की बात कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे नहीं मालूम. आई होप आई हैव. आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग को मेरे काम में या मेरी बातचीत में, आशा करता हूँ कि आपको मेरे इंटरव्यू में, लोगों को मेरे काम में, मेरी तमीज़ में दिखे. All I can say is that I am just happy that I survived. I'm just happy I'm here. And I'm very grateful. I'm just thankful. I'm thankful to everybody. जिसने काम दिया उसको थैंक यू, जिसने काम नहीं दिया उसको भी थैंक यू. मुझे आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे रहने दिया, मैं उसके लिए बहुत 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 शुक्रगुजार हूँ.
As an outsider, what are the challenges? What kind of challenges have you faced in all these years? If you would like to recall
मैं अपने आप
something,
को आउटसाइडर नहीं मानता.
if you would like to
मैं
share
आउटसाइडर
something.
नहीं हूँ. मैं आउटसाइडर नहीं हूँ. मैं अपने आप को आउटसाइडर नहीं मानता. मैं आपको कुछ पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. मैंने कुछ लिखा था, बट मेरे फोन पे. I would have loved to read you something that I just wrote yesterday about this whole outsider insider thing. Is इमरान भाई है, उनके फोन पे लिखा था मैंने कुछ. बट मैं आउटसाइडर नहीं हूँ. मैं इंसाइडर हूँ. हिंदुस्तान के महफूज बॉर्डर्स के अंदर रहता हूँ. हर इंसान इंसाइडर है. किसी भी इंसान को ये ताकत, ये हिम्मत मत दीजिए कि वो आपको आउटसाइडर बोले या आउटसाइडर जैसा फील कराए, क्योंकि हम सब इनसाइडर हैं. एंड मेरा एक दूसरा चीज या मेरी व्यू इस मामले में ये है कि जो लोग बड़े हैं उम्र में, समझ में, ओहदे में, उनका फर्ज है कि जो उनसे पीछे हैं, नीचे हैं, कमजोर हैं, जरूरतमंद है, उनको कभी इस चीज का एहसास नहीं दिलाए कि वो इंसान आउटसाइडर है. छोटों का, कमजोर का हाथ पकड़े और उनको अंदर लेके आए. और मेरी एक ही उम्मीद है, आई जस्ट होप कि जब तक कि मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ या जब तक कि मुझे मौका मिलते रहेगा, आई जस्ट होप मेरे होते हुए ये जो शब्द है ना, आउटसाइडर और इनसाइडर, इसकी चर्चा बंद हो, खत्म हो, और अच्छी जो चर्चा है, डिबेट है, जिनकी ज़रूरत है, उन सब चीज़ों पे हम वक्त ज़ाया करें, उन सब चीज़ों पे, क्योंकि ये तो बहुत बेकार सी चीज़ है.
Totally agree with you, Amit, and hope that happens. One final question for you: that there are so many young, talented, aspiring young talents who wish to make it to Bollywood. So, any
I'm one of
advice,
them.
any piece of suggestion you have for
I am one of
such?
them. मैं भी उस लिस्ट में ही हूँ. मैं उनका दुख दर्द समझता हूँ. मैं भी यंग हूँ, एस्पायरिंग हूँ. Yes, please tell me.
But I feel you are an inspiration. So many inspire with your work.
So मेरी ऐसी, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं इस योग्य हूँ या इस लायक हूँ कि मैं किसी को भी कोई राय दूँ या समझ दूँ. बट मेरे जितने जूनियर्स हैं, जितने आर्टिस्ट हैं जो आ रहे हैं या सोच रहे हैं, जो उम्मीद कर रहे हैं किसी भी प्रकार की कला से जुड़ने के लिए, इन एनी फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट, आई ओनली हैव वन मैसेज फॉर यू. डोंट गिव अप. फॉलो योर पैशन विथ एवरीथिंग यू हैव. बुरा भी होगा लेकिन अच्छा भी होगा, यू नो. सो आपका जो भी ड्रीम है उसको चेस कीजिए, और इतनी किसी को ताकत मत दीजिए कि वो आपको या आपके ड्रीम को छोटा दिखाए या आपको ये फील कराए कि आपका ड्रीम पूरा नहीं हो सकता. क्योंकि आपका जो ड्रीम है वो पूरा हो सकता है और सिर्फ आप ही पूरा कर सकते हैं. दूसरा, आपके पास मेरा इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है. किसी को कभी भी कोई हेल्प चाहिए, कोई बात करनी है, कोई स्ट्रेस हो, बेझिझक मैसेज करना, मैं आपसे बात करूँगा. बट ड्रीम, फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स, वर्क हार्ड, इट इज़ पॉसिबल. होएगा.
That is so nicely put. So nicely said. Thank you so much, Amit, and it is
Thank you.
always a nice experience talking to you and
मैं
having
बोलने
an
वाला था,
interview.
आपने मेरी लाइन ले ली यार. ये मेरी लाइन थी, मैं आपको बोलने वाला था. It's always a nice and pleasure to talk to you. Same.
Always a nice experience talking to you. I feel so good.
Thank you. Thank you. Same.
And
Same feelings.
God
Same
bless you,
feelings.
Amit.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care.